that's cooking on firewood. Everything you're going to eat today is raised here on their farm.
Ntounias restaurant is located in Drakona village on the foot of the unspoiled White Mountains of Chania. At 600 meters altitude.
So we just arrived at the famous place Ntounias. Yasas. Wow. This is the place you eat just across the street from the fireplace. They have a nice setup up there.
Reservation prior to your arrival, as this establishment could be closed on Mondays and Tuesdays during the summer season. And it's the only place where everything is cooked using fire stoves and all ingredients come from local producers and Stelios' farm and garden, a center of gastronomy and slow food.
We have organic fresh bread. You have
Goat in the oven, potatoes in the oven.
and I have the goat, la chèvre, slow cook with wine. And it's very tender. Dounias. This is authentic, traditional Cretan food. It's really worth it to come pay a visit to this place.
And the total meal with fresh homemade bread, wine, the two meals is a total of
$31.90.
euro.
Yes.